In the 76th chapter of Quran, there are 30 letters till the word ginger is mentioned, which is equal to chromosomes number of white ginger. There are 18 letters before till the word pomegranate is mentioned, same as chromosomes number of pomegranate. There are 22 letters till the word pumpkin is mentioned, and pumpkin have 22 chromosomes. There are 40 letters before the word grape, same as number of grapes. There are 26 letters before word date is mentioned, which is equal to chromosomes in date palms.